Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about masking in Premiere Pro, and specifically we're going to focus on the Object Mask tool. Now I have in V2 a video of a character and in V1 a background, and I want this background to show behind my character. And previously this was quite a bit of work. Now this is a simple background here, but it was still a lot of work to do with masks and keys and things like that. But now all I need to do is select my layer. I'm going to select opacity. Then I'm going to come down here to my Object Mask tool, click on my character, and boom, the background's gone. Now that might look like you're done, but if I scrub forward in my playhead, we can see that the mask isn't moving yet. It's static. To make it move, we need to come up here to the tracker and hit play. It will take a moment to process, but once it's done, I can scrub my playhead back, hit play, and we can see that the mask is nearly perfect. Now, we can see a little bit of white space at the top of his hair here, but that's okay. If you have a problem like that, all you have to do is come back over here to your mask, go to expansion, and turn that down just a little bit. Here you can see that that has removed the white area from his hair. If I scrub back and hit play, we can see that we now have a wonderful mask with very little effort, and it'll work well for your piece. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip. If you have any questions, comments, or features you'd like to see, please let us know in the comments below.